Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can download and install the Yelp application on your Android device. Yelp is an American company that develops the website which publishes crowdsourced resources about businesses. It also operates Yelp Reservation, a travel reservation service, and also Yelp makes it easy to connect with new customers and grow your business. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Play Store on your Android device. Then go to the search bar and you type in for a Yelp. Tap and search. Once you tap and search, you will be able to see the application on very top. Just beside of the application, you can see install button. You need to tap on it and wait for the application to get fully installed. As you can see, the application has been fully installed. Now you can tap in open and go in for using the Yelp application. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can download and install the Yelp application on your Android device. Thank you.